In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a recurring invoice template. If you bill clients on a schedule, recurring templates save time and reduce mistakes. Today, I'll walk you through how to find your templates, make updates with confidence, and save your changes so the next invoice runs exactly the way you expect. First, head to the billing area of your account and click Invoices. This is your hub for everything related to one-time and recurring billing. If you have a lot of items here, don't worry. This click simply takes you to the main list where we can filter or move into specialized sections. Next, click Recurring Templates. This section contains the blueprints the system uses to generate invoices automatically. Think of each template as a reusable set of rules: who to bill, how often, what products or services are included, and which taxes or discounts apply. From here, open your recurring template. Choose the one you want to adjust. Perhaps the pricing changed, a line item needs to be added or removed, or the schedule needs a tweak. Opening the template lets you review all the current settings at a glance before you make any edits. Now, click Edit. This switches the template into an editable mode. You'll see fields for the customer or project, the issue and due dates pattern, the frequency, and the line items with quantities, rates, and tax settings. Take a moment to scan everything so you know exactly what you're changing. Update invoice details. Make the adjustments you need, such as revising descriptions for clarity, updating unit prices to reflect new rates, changing quantities, or adjusting tax codes to match your latest compliance needs. If your billing cadence has changed, update the frequency or start date so future invoices generate on the right timeline. It's also a good idea to confirm the currency, any automated messages on the invoice, and payment terms so they align with what you've agreed with your client. While you're editing, keep an eye on the subtotal, tax, and total amounts to make sure the math looks right. When everything looks good, click Save. This commits your changes to the template so the next cycle uses the updated information. If you ever need to revert or make further refinements, you can return to the same template and repeat these steps. And that's it. You've successfully located, edited, and saved a recurring invoice template with just a few clicks, helping keep your billing accurate and effortless.